my name. Sometimes I get on nerves.
Yun lagi, seryoso lagi ako.
So,
Kinapagsa ka dinig, baw, kwarta lagi. Tapos ballpen ta cellphone.
Ginti na mo ganta man ikaw. Nga nasi kaya yan. Mama. Ready daw ito.
Amo nga ni,
Klaro nga di puta ka.
amo nga ni, anong pagtawag na kanina katubalay.
Ay man ito yan ah.
that was cute. And I was gonna make my own decision. So, tomorrow morning, I will begin my video in a morning routine. Okay? My flashlight, light, light. You're my flashlight, light. Light. Speed up. I can't even eat. I can't even eat it. And tomorrow, part 2, I'm gonna have my new Musicali. Friend with me. So I can go to make a bowl, S-H-I-G. Nope. So I just have to brush our hair first. My hair's not enough space for it. Just a little longer. Okay, now
Diba?
stay there.
Anong pagtawag? Nakanina kanya balay. Tapos ano yun?
Yung paginakan.
My headset. So I really can't take off my charger because tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to buy. Bye.